If you have questions, please say your name and what your affiliation is. I'll just pass the mic.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Kate Adahar of Randall Republic. My question is, for which class is this project? And so far, what have you learned from doing this project?
Our class po is Energy Guess. From this project, as one of the leaders in this project, I've learned a lot of things. Sorry. I've learned how to lead a team, and I learned a lot of things about my classmates through their help with me, and I've learned how to communicate with artists, their managers, and how to get sponsors.
Just for clarification, what is Energy Guess? Is that something?
Rodriguez is a section from one of the blessed people in the Bible.
Yeah. Hello, John Milos Vera Professor. Ang babata niyo pa, yung kanyang edad ko, kung anong lang ginagawa ko. So, paano naging yung performance dito sa concert?
For the performers po kasi, we saw Calista in a YouTube video from TikTok promotion videos. We saw their performance and it really opened our eyes that there are a lot of artists out there that can get more attention because their talents are very good, and we think that with the spotlight we can give them more fans and a bigger community for them. And then for the other artists po, Abby was a very big artist, so we wanted to get an artist to raise the standards with our other artists. So Sodkis Lola will be our band, since we want to give the students a nice experience to see our Filipino bands po, since like I said, they're more into the western side of music. Thank you.
Sa Calista naman, kasi parang kung yung panahon namin dati, parang hindi kaya mag-concert na parok ni Edgar, ni Ogie Diaz, saka ng custom dancer ng isang concert. Hindi ka. May isa rin ako, diba? So, naniniwala ba kayo na parang, kasi sinabi ata na rin mo na na ngayon yung golden age ng OPM. Kasi sabay-sabay, iba-ibang genre, sikat lahat.
Yes po, naniniwala po kami na 2025 po talaga is great year of OPM, and especially with the help of P-pop, mas napapalawak po niya, mas napapatibay po niya, and mas napapalakas po niya even outside our country, yung OPM. Kaya we're very, very thankful to the junior high school students for inviting us and for giving us this opportunity na makasama sa fundraising event na ito, dahil syempre our main goal din and our mission din, kaya kami naging artist, is also to inspire other people. And with the help of this concert, I believe na lahat tayo makakayanin.
Salamat.
Hello, good afternoon. So, a question ko for RJ. First ba ito na Horizon? Or yearly ito?
This is the very first. But there are a lot of classes before us that had their own fundraising concerts na din po. But this is the first one being with Horizon. Kasi only grade 10 would be allowed to hold events. So since it was our last year in the junior high school, we wanted to go off with the band and give my classmates a good experience with this concert. Thank you.
And
since Ayan. May pinagpilian pa ba kayo na other than concert na magiging fundraising? Or ito talaga yung parang unanimous for
Ito po talaga yun. It was unanimous for the class.
And last one, curious lang ako, paano ba mag-party, pumunta sa concert ay isang mga yung
Ano ba kayo, Gen?
Alpha.
Ano ba talaga?
Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha lang. Ayan. Paano ba mag-party yung mga Gen Alpha?
Abot pa po kami sa Gen Z, so I'd like to call on JB David to answer this question because my friend, he's a very outgoing person and he likes it.
Paano ba mag-party?
So how does
Based on my experiences, Gen Z parties are very much crazy. And we wouldn't like to bring that to Ateneo, so we would like to limit the party experience to a healthy experience with no alcohol, no other bad things. So that's basically it.
Pwede mo i-expound yung crazy na yun. Parang gusto mo yung sa
So basically, crazy means, okay, I'll be honest, Gen Z is hard to like crazy because they engage in activities students shouldn't.
Gen Z po yun
So, we wouldn't want that in our
nakasubscribe po sa
culture.
God.
We would like to limit all the experiences are constantly.
Millennials nakasubscribe sa God.
Thank you. May mic pa ba? Okay.
And then speed up, dalawa lang.
Hi, I'm Base from Base Class. Pero medyo lang ako kasi nakapasok sa age bracket.
Everyone's welcome.
Boomer!
Everyone's welcome.
Yeah. Wow, thank you. But is this something you would like to do more in the future? Or do you have other different event prior?
Would you like to get additional
Annual event.
Since
No, because they're not going to be in the school anymore. Yeah.
Since EFD po will be, since it's our last year as classmates po for being a block section, for me po, I think this is a once in a lifetime experience kasi mahirap din po kasi magpatuloy ng concert and mahirap din po yung mga pinagdaanan namin, so maybe this will be first and last for me. But for many po, their experiences will always be open for them, so I'm sure they'll want to have another experience like this in the future. Thank you.
Hi, John Boyle from Coca-Cola. I'm a lifestyle blogger. So, first of all, congratulations. The concept alone is kind of crazy if I were your age. That's probably like a couple of years. But how was like the production of this? How did it all happen? Who planned it, and how did you like come about like the plan to have a concert?
It was a unanimous vote from the class, and of course, the event wouldn't be possible without my team, Mason, and my other team members. All of us decided that this will be hard, and we will put a lot of effort into it. So we all did our best in the past 4 months since last year, and thankfully we were accepted by the school to host a concert. And yeah, it was a good experience for all of us to plan on what event we would be doing.
You're at that point, RJ, right?
Yes.
What were your professors' reaction into you like just coming up like we want to have a concert?
Our professors' reactions, but a lot of them were happy that a lot of us are planning to host a big event, knowing that it will bring a lot of pressure onto us and our classmates. But they were supportive naman po, and they helped us in everything we did. I'd like to thank my teachers for all the support they've given us. Kahit na sometimes makulit kami maging leader, and sometimes hindi kami naging cooperative. They still helped us with everything we did. So, thank you.
Alright, and siguro kay ma'am, Ms. Monina? Ms. Kirsty, can you tell us, how about naman po yung mga parents? Were you like, na ano ba kayo, nag-good ba kayo na ganito yung kainan ng mga kids niyo?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, nung sinabi po nila sa amin na concert, talaga pong medyo, kami mismo na nagulat. And first, tinanong, patay ko ka ng fans, na nakayan. Yun nga po, nagkaroon kami, without ako ng kasama with their teachers. So, nagkaroon kami muna ng discussion, maraming po ito set ng meetings, then finally na-approve sila. Then after na na-approve po sila, binout up ko naman po doon sa schools. Kasi hindi po namin magagawa no, na with the leaders na yung parents. So, in-involve po namin ang buong parents ng buong section ng tenor-based event. From there, nakagawa po kami ng support. From zero po talaga yung ating finances, ano po talaga itong this regular
Yes.
So, from zero, then every day, nakikita namin, then naniniwala po kasi kami na yung kakayahan ng mga boys na to handle and to lead ng ganito po kalaki event. And before po kasi, parang nag-join yung dalawang section. But this time, nagkaroon po kami ng one section sila. Kaya talaga pong medyo marami nagugulat, but yet, dahil nga po sa leadership ng mga boys, confidence. So, kaya nga po, may nakita natin yun, mas lalo din po namin silang sinuportahan. With the help po ng mga parents store at the whole class, yun po, kaya sabi na namin, this concert will be 100% sold out. With your help po, with your help.
Okay. Do you probably know like how many people are expected to be here in the concert?
The capacity po of our venue, which will be the public courts, it's going to be 2,500 now po.
2,500.
So we're hoping to sell at least 2,000 tickets.
Alright, thank you. Siguro kay Sir Jenna, next question ka. Since you're going to be directing the show, what's going to happen with the program? I'm sure it's going to be like a huge, undertaking to do that because there are several performances and of course the crowd safety. I'm probably sure you have plans for that. So, can you tell us a little bit about it?
So, Horizon features live performances of these artists, Lista, Sanchez Lola, and Ali. The more important thing about this show is that we want to send a message of hope and solidarity since it advocates for social change, community empowerment. So we will also feature audio-visual presentations
in between
performances, highlighting the Katipunan fan life. Just as the Katipuneros in the 19th centuries, diba, banded together, gusto nating i-parallel yun. We will be the modern Katipuneros of the present time to help others.
Sir, to further answer your question about how it's going to be, about the security, you don't have to worry about it because number one of our co-parents also volunteered to give security also. Ateneo has their own security, but we are going to ensure that everyone is going to be safe, especially since we have teens, young teens, like 13-year-olds. So we have several parents who also have, their security agencies. We're willing to donate the time of their security people. And also, we are very, very strict with respect to illegal articles that may be brought inside the venue. Like, we were really discussing, like, are they allowed to use vape, stuff like this. So, there are some things that we cannot avoid, but for our boys, it's a rule. If they get caught using vape, they're gonna be FI, right? That was, established. As for other people who are caught using vape, then it's going to be confiscated at the very start, at the security area. So also our tickets, we ensure that they cannot be easily tampered. So we design them in such a way that they cannot be just easily printed. So to ensure that you have an amazing experience when you watch the concert and be safe as well while being there.
I'm sure you have ample amount of parking as well, because there's...
Yes. Ateneo has a very huge parking ground, so it won't really be a problem.
Alright, thank you. Alright, last question would be for the ladies. Nakakita na natin siguro mga 2 weeks ago when you launched your album Floor. Of course, that EP is still on streaming platforms. Can you tell us more about your album and how's it going so far? Nakakakuha na ba kayo ng feedback from people about your music? Tell us a little bit more about it.
Actually, naging maganda po yung launching namin kasi dumami po talaga yung streams namin sa Spotify and other streaming platforms. And nakakatuwa po kasi maraming nasasabing, natagpuan nyo din yung tamang sound nyo, talagang kalista yan. And ayun nga, sinabi namin dun sa launch na hinanda talaga namin ng iba't ibang genre. So, talagang para magustuhan ng tao, maraming choices, ganyan. And ayun po, so very thankful po kami sa mga naging response ng mga tao sa album namin.
Alright, aside from that, you're performing on this particular show. How does it feel that, it's not just performing that you're going to do, but it's also going to benefit a lot of people after the show?
Sobrang grateful po kami for the Ateneo and the junior high school for having us po and for having us here po for the fundraising kasi makakatulong din po, hindi lang po makaka-inspire ng mga kabataan, makakatulong din po kami sa ibang tao. And we're really, really happy na makakapag-perform po kami with our new release po na EP, which is for
super gusto ko pala yung parang
Yes. Thank you po.
Thank you.